In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project automations on Monday.com. Automations are a powerful feature that can save you time and help to streamline your workflow, taking repetitive tasks off your plate and allowing you to focus on the important aspects of your projects. To begin, let's navigate to your sample board on Monday.com. If you're not already familiar with the layout, it's the central hub where all your tasks and projects come alive. Here, you'll have access to various features that help in organizing your tasks. Once you're on the board, you'll want to look for and click on the Automate button. This is your gateway to unleashing the power of automations within your Monday.com setup. This button will give you access to various automation recipes that can be customized to suit your project's needs. Next, a good step is to explore the different categories available to you. This is where you'll see a breakdown of automation possibilities by category. The categories are designed to help you find exactly the kind of automation you need, whether it's for communication, productivity, or syncing data. Let's start with the basics. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just new to automation, starting with basic automation can be a great way to ease into things. These basic recipes cover crucial functionalities and can provide a strong foundation before you venture into more complex automations. From there, check out the recommended section. This area suggests automations based on popular uses among other Monday.com users, providing a great way to incorporate widely used practices in your workflow. Exploring the productivity section can also be beneficial. Here you'll find automations designed to maximize your efficiency, allowing you to automatically update statuses, archive old items, and manage your tasks with less manual intervention. Next, take a look at dates, a very useful category if your projects are heavily schedule-driven. Automations here can help you with maintaining deadlines and sending reminders based on date fields you set. In communication, you'll find automations that keep your team in the loop. Whether it's updating team members when a task status changes or when deadlines are approaching, this category ensures everyone is on the same page. For those needing to integrate synchronization between different boards or even different platforms, Sync is a valuable category to explore. It helps connect your work seamlessly across different tools and teams. Now onto connected and mirror columns. These automations can automatically link items across boards, which is particularly useful when you're working on interconnected projects. You can use logic to define how items are matched and connected. If you're looking to extend the functionality beyond standard automations, consider integrations and apps. Monday.com offers a variety of integrations with other tools you might use, and exploring the marketplace apps can also bring additional capabilities. And there you have it. Dive into each of these categories, explore the possibilities, and start setting up automations that can save time and increase the efficiency of your project management on Monday.com. Happy automating!